see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi, good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
Holly.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning. Alis kami. Time 6, 11, 12. Magla-lunch date kami ng mga bata kasi in 2 weeks, balik na sila sa school. So sabi ko, alis kami and then mag-window shopping na rin sa Kmart or kaya sa Target. So, yan. Say see ya.
See ya. Yes, I already said bye, Mom.
Okay, ready, get set.
Go.
1, 2.
3.
Okay, see ya.
See ya. What are you eating now?
Yeah. Here? Okay, sit down here. Do you want to sit there? Ikaw, Baba. Sit down. Okay. Upo ikaw dito. You watch your sister, okay?
Holly.
Okay, Baba. Here. Get in.
Mom.
What do you want? Huh?
What? That.
I don't know what she's having. No, you don't. Hurry up. Stand up. Okay, go outside. Yes. Waiting for our food. Huh?
Look funny.
Who's funny?
Mom, every day.
Oh, look at the bunny. Huh?
Target. I want to see what's inside Target. We've been the Target, sir. But I've never seen it. They're taking it really, really long.
It's coming. Yeah, you hear this. Is it? Yeah, thank
That's
you.
some chippies.
Thank you.
Oh, and a bagel that's sliding around. Good. There you go. And the
Okay.
others won't be far off.
Okay, thank you.
I wrote.
Ayan, meron kaming french fries and hindi ko alam kung
That's spicy.
is it spicy? You. What you gonna say, Keith?
And the steak. Turkish.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What you gonna say, Saki?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you want her?
Ha?
I didn't love her. Mom,
Ayan, si Kuya meron siyang ham and cheese.
try this one. It's good.
Is it good? Okay, enjoy your food. How is it, Sa?
What was that?
How is it?
Good. Good?
Is it good?
Mom, steak's good.
Is it?
What's that?
Ito yung bagel with bacon and eggs.
This one.
And ito yung kay Sak, Turkish Delight.
Mom, this is good.
Ha?
This is good. I bought it.
Ham and cheese?
Try, please. Let me get shit.
Don't. Okay, Kuya. What you gonna say?
Come on.
Okay. Is it good? It's yum. Oh, yum. This is good, Kuya.
Yeah, Holly ordered that. That's good.
Yung drinks, ano pa? It's coming.
I like this meal.
Ha?
I like this meal.
Marta?
I like that. It's been better.
Baba.
Staring at that dog. Oh. Where's the drink?
Coming.
Put it up.
Yes, please. Thank you. Vanilla for you. Strawberry, yeah. Thank you. Vanilla pala to. This is yours.
Where's the spoon?
There's no straw. You're gonna drink it like coffee.
Can I blow that, Mom? Can I blow that? Are you all sharing?
Yeah, sharing is. Sharing is it good?
That's good. This one's great. Ooh. I got vanilla. Grand phrase. Mom, can I try vanilla? I think please,
The same strawberry.
I should have got vanilla.
Good?
Yeah. I like vanilla. I like me.
Hmm?
Mom, have you tried that one?
Yummy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah.
My husband will tell us to see like this.
Ang
There's
sarap.
different color.
Is it good, Zach?
That's big. That's enough.
That's enough. No, here.
I love vanilla.
Next one.
Can you see your oatmeal? Oh, I like this one.
Good? Okay.
Yeah, it isn't.
Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.E.
Really do when I have my glasses.
Da 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 da. It's the one and only D.
Why you always lying?
Ang sarap. First time namin dito kumain. Ang sarap ng sandwiches nila. Tsaka itong bagels. Masarap. Right, Zach? You like this one?
Is this
You like yours,
cheese?
Kuya?
No, is this cheese?
Mm-hmm. Masarap din yung milkshake nila.
Stop drinking that away.
Si Zach meron siyang vanilla milkshake and si Kuya strawberry. And sa holly strawberry. Huh?
What's yours?
No, this is holly.
Where's yours? Mine.
No, this is you eat this first.
Do you like the strawberry?
Next time you can have that one. time.
Mom, you did another one to go.
Yeah, next time.
He's cracking off. Mom, Kuya.
Can I see?
Wait. Mom,
Thank you.
take that.
Kuya KK. Hinati-hati niyo sa akin yung burger. Stand up there, Zach. Holly, look at mommy. Look at mommy. You don't go. Holly. Holly. Zach. Sorry. You stay there. Okay, let's go. Holly, come on. Yeah. Does it smells good?
This one. Smell this one, Mom.
Does it smell good?
That's just some.
Wait, Baba, don't. Careful. Yeah.
Oh, it smells like lollipop. Lemon lollipop.
Careful.
I want lollipop.
Smell like watermelon. This is watermelon.
Watermelon lollipop.
Yeah.
I want purple. I love this smell.
Let me
Why
see.
do you have one of this?
Yeah.
What's this for?
Bango. We have to get something for our toilet. Pardon?
No. Is this your bag?
No, it's not my bag, Papa.
Is Daddy?
Yeah, for that lady. Yeah, that lady. Tingin-tingin. Dito, Baba, here. Here, Baba, here. Look, what's this? Huh? Holly, no, you're not allowed there, love. Here, look at the mirror. Is that you? Huh? Where? No sun is for you, Baba. Yes.
This brown.
This is not for baby.
No, these are like your last is your old one.
Okay na.
Come back. Come back.
Let me see. Okay, you try.
Then put them back.
See, too big.
That's so big.
It is too big. See, look. Let me see.
Put Mom's back.
Okay. Try niya daw.
Too big.
It's too big, Baba.
Sorry.
Alright.
It's like orange.
It's like orange.
Yes, look. Try it.
Yeah. That's for a girl. So,
Da-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only Digo Double G. Da-da-da-da-da. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E.
Everything is still stuff.
yeah, it's girl stuff here.
And this boy keeps jumping over.
Da-da-da-da-da. It's the one and only Digo.
Yeah. Let me see, Baba.
Mom, this boy jumping over.
Where? Huh?
Joyce?
No, it's not my shoes, Baba. Okay, come on. Let me look. Which one?
I wanted this one.
This one. Let me see. Is this your size? Is it your size, Kuya? Gusto ni Kuya daw to. Wait. See? Turn around. Let me see your hands, Kuya. Here, here. Kasya ba sa'yo? Okay, hold this up. Hold it.
What, can I have it? Dad, you can't have that.
Let me see. It's too big, this one.
It's only for me.
Baba, there's nothing here for you.
Too big.
How about this one now?
Ollie. Is it made again?
Is it big?
Mama.
Yes, this is not for you, Papa. Can you check over there? Yeah. Can you try? Can you put it on? Let me see. No. Try it on. Give me your shade.
Then I'll try the orange.
Is it orange yellow?
Orange.
Yellow orange. So yun raw makita sa mirror. And now you like it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
My Essendon jumper is a size A.
Okay.
And my other jumper I brought from Melbourne size A.
Okay,
I got
so
the size A jumper.
It's the one and only.
can you show me your hands?
Size
Okay, that's alright. Okay. You want that one? It's look good. Come on. Paulit-ulit siyang thing. You want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Come on.
I take it off.
Huh? Okay, can you find size 6 for you? No, you're not buying wallet. Come on. Yeah. Put it there. Wait, Sak is looking for size 6. Tingnan natin kung merong size for Zachary. Size 6, Sak. Size 6. Size 8 lang. So, itry niya. Yeah, okay. Try that one.
Did you try that one on, Matt?
Yes, he did. Yes.
I'll just take it for a second. It's a cool color, isn't it? Good choice.
Bakit daw siya wala? Eh, walang...
My hair.
Ha? It's gonna mess your hair. Walang size niya eh. Size 8 yan. Nagre-reklamo siya. No. Let me see. It's alright. You can tuck it in not like that.
I think I don't have shorts now. Look, it's super.
It's alright. Let me see. You can do this. No, you can do like that. Let me see.
My pocket is my is me.
You're not gonna buy that wallet, love.
It's my
Let me see, Zach. You like it? Okay. We'll get that one then.
mom. Thanks, Mom. Thank
You're
you, babe.
Thank you, babe. Okay. Okay, let's go. Can you get that hanger, please?
That one a good one?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
Okay, let's go.
Both get new jumpers.
That's why. Baba, let's go. Are you happy now? Huh? Thank you. Are you happy now, Kuya? Okay, come on.
It's Watson spot where it was.
Huh?
Hey, mate.
Na kami sa Target. Magtingin-tingin. Come on.
Mom,
Yes.
I should give Dad that one.
To Daddy.
Why not? His tires are flat.
Oh, Dad.
Yes.
Come on.
He won't climb him up because he doesn't have the things.
Yeah, okay, come here. Come on. Dito naman kami sa Kmart. Meron sana akong kinuha na lalagyan ng sabon dun sa Target. Kaso ang haba ng pila, so binalik ko kasi sabi ko, punta naman kami dito ng Kmart kasi may titingnan ako. So sabi ko, dito na lang siguro ako bili ng lalagyan ng sabon sa bathroom. Come on, kiddos.
What? We're not kidding. We bought all these glasses when we went past the love house. Oh, she wants another one.
It's alright, come on. Come on. Uy!
Boogie board.
Boogie Board. Yeah, we already have Boogie Board, Baba. Come on.
You have your own in the shed, Holly.
Yeah, dito. Kasi yung rugs na nandun sa Kmart, mayroon na ako nun. So, hanap tayo dito.
This one. It's only 10. Oh, this one's up. Oh, this one. No, not the big one.
What are you doing there? Come on, let's go.
Remember what the lady said? No stepping onto it is healthy.
It's not healthy. Come on, Papa. Come on. Is it comfy?
No.
No, yes. Okay, let's go.
Mom, it's comfy in this spot.
Okay, come on, let's go. We're gonna go grocery. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's go. Come on, Baba. Oi. Holly. Come on. Bye. Go, you. Come on. Hurry up. Wait. I need one more. Come here. Bye.
I'm going in. I'm pushing. Which one, Mom?
Just this one.
Oh, the bigger one.
This is big.
Them ones are. No,
Dito na kami sa Coles.
a lot. That's
No.
only 3.
It's 4. It's alright.
1, 2, 3.
Come on.
How does this tell me who we get?
Yeah. Dito naman kami sa Coles. Sabi ko, kuha na ako ng mga kulang sa bahay para hindi ako mag-grocery sa Monday. Kasi Friday na ngayon eh. So, 2 days lang naman. So, sabi ko, kuha na ako ng mga kulang-kulang dun sa bahay. So, yan. Bahay na kami.
Oh, we
And
got the dog, so we finally got here. Well, just move your
3:27.
I was gonna say that.
Okay. Can you say it? Okay. So, dito kayo sa bahay and may golf. May laro yung mga...
Competition.
May laro yung mga bata. So, yun na yung vlog. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Say see
See
ya.
ya. And we just got on from Dolph.
Yeah, ayan si Holly.
Look.
Okay, get ready now, boys. Wala, tinatawag na kayo. Bye. Ayan, magre-ready na sila. Minamadali na sila ng
Mommy,
daddy.
open the shed for us.
Okay, see ya.
Mom, open the back and get the sand buckets. Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Kailangan
not
daw
much
nila
left
to.
in this one.
Okay.
We're always using these
It's
ones
only
too.
2 here. Okay.
Yeah, there's meant to be 2. There you go.
Yes, where's your ano?
What, hat?
Huh?
Hat?
Yes, and sunscreen.
Oh, it's not that hot, Mom.
It is hot, love.
Is it?
Yes. Nag-change lang sila ng top. Good luck. Who are you gonna play, Kuya? Huh?
Play with?
Who you gonna play with?
Oh, Jasper, Tilda,
Alright, good luck.
Casey. I don't know if Casey's playing.
Okay, enjoy.
And I don't know if Thomas is. Yeah.
See you now. Thank you. Enjoy, okay? Okay. Bye. Are you playing now, huh? Laro din pala siya.
We got these golf.
Naglagay na ng ilaw, 2 ilaw.
Long one. Oh, shed.
Yan, 2. And then eto binago dati round, tapos pinapalitan nito na puti.
Wow.
And dun din sa ano, ayan oh, pinilawan ni Sa. And dun,
Don't work anymore.
ha?
Oh, what?
So ready na yan for Australian Day.
That one is in the inside. That one
Yes.
is the inside.
You have to wear your golf shoes. Ayan si Kuya. Ha? What? Yeah, it's alright. I will fix it later.
Oh, so Diamond. Dad.
Just wait. Are you gonna change on?
Yeah. Oh, how's those?
That's Kuya. Okay. See you. Good luck.
Mom, you never took in the buggy.
Yeah.
Mom, you drove the old one.
Yeah, the old one I did.
I don't remember. But you didn't drive this one? But will I?
No. Yeah, I did. Here, not in the golf course though. Alright, see ya. Good luck. Love you.
See ya.
Enjoy.
More cheese.
Okay. See you. I love you. Enjoy. Okay?
Yeah.
Love you. Say see ya. Bye now.
See ya. And Mom, when we do back from home toast, then will I buy from toast?
Yes, yes. Not from Baker's Delight.
No, not baggies. Or at the one at toast.
Which one?
At toast was that green thing.
The olives. Okay. Okay. Gusto niya kainin yung olives. Okay, see ya. Kalamata. It's kind of olives as well. Okay. Okay, see. Yeah, alright. Bye. Okay. So yan, umalis na yung mga bata and si Jan. And eto, nagising na rin to. And may sinasabi siya. What's that?
It was my face.
That's for mommy's face. Nakuha niya. Huh? The head. Look down. Look at the head. So, okay, come on. Nakuha niya yung collagen mask ko sa lalagyan ko. So, yun. Kanina, after namin mag-Kmart, nag-grocery na ako kasi yung eco bags namin, nasa car lang yan. So, sabi ko, mag-grocery na ako instead Monday kasi pag mag-grocery ako sa Monday, babalik ulit ako noon ng Wednesday kasi diba may parating akong mga bisita for Australian Day. So, sabi ko, ngayon na lang ako mag-grocery para sa ikukonsume namin bago dumating yung mga bisita ko. And grocery ako sa Wednesday. Not strawberry, that is grape. So, i-haul ko na lang muna to kasi hindi ako nag-vlog nung grocery kasi yung mga bata may golf, may laro sila. So, nagmamadali na kami. So, ngayon, i-haul natin to mga pinamili ko. Come on, Baba. Tingnan mo, kumakain.